don't have a microphone with me, so hopefully you can hear me. I went yard sailing and went to Savers and Goodwill and stuff, and I thought I'd show you the kinds of bargains that I got. So first, I work for a merchandising company at a local grocery store, and I bought these watering cans, and they were like $25, and eventually it went down to $5, so I grabbed it, and I'm gonna put some of the IOD transfers on it. I'm really excited about that. Let's see. I got these great little wine boxes. I got 5 of them for $2 each. And a yard sale over this last weekend. I'm picturing, well, I think I'm going to do 5 different kinds. We'll see what happens with those. But yeah, they're really cute. They're sturdy. They've got a place to put the wine bottles in there and keep them secure. So yeah, this is adorable. I was going to turn it into something Halloween, and I just can't do it. It's got to stay the colors it is, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I might even keep it, because look at that. I got these 2 great little mushrooms for 99 cents a piece. Let's see, picked up some rolling pins. Gonna do all different kinds of things with those. I got some fun little mirrors to play with. And let's see, some little wooden shoes. I'm picturing, you know, painting those and doing something with the IOD transfers as well. Maybe try one of the paint inlays on it. I guess that goes to, oh, that's this end of the thing. Oh. And I am off to a late start, but I am making a witch hat. And I thought, when I saw this, what a perfect base for a witch hat topiary. Keep calm and buy shoes. So I may put some cute, we'll see. Oh, and this fabulous, huge Hershey's chocolate mug is going to be home to a new Christmas decoration. Glue. I got this cute little table. Check that out. For 50 cents. I was thrilled. So this little serving, I saw it at Savers, and I thought, I think I actually got it for 30% off for Senior Day, because I am a senior. And anyway, I pictured 2 wooden trays in it, so there's that. This cute little plant stand it's not in bad shape, for $2. And then it was a subdivision yard sale. I was like, how much is that? Not 1, not 2, but 3. You know, and I never did open up the 3rd one. I wonder if there's anything in there. Nope. $5 for all 3 of them. Can't beat that. My cord that I borrowed from myself when we went camping. Here's some great fabric. So I've got, 40-something chairs to redo. But look at those cute little cowboy boots, cowboy hats. And then here's some, like seaside. That's going to be cute. And it's indoor, outdoor. Not sure what I'll do with that yet, but I have the chairs. Let's see. I am a pottery nut. If somebody made it with their hands, I don't know, I love it. But this is a fun fish. At least it looks like a fish to me. Let's see. I got that. This was all Saver stuff. Oh, I thought this would make a cute little haunted something. How do you open it? I'm sure it opens. Oh, there it is. Anyway, I'm going to turn it into a haunted house. Oh, my granddaughter dances. Check this. She'll love it. I got 2 of these. They are just wonderful. I'm sure at one time they were a sconce of some sort. There's a place where they probably fit, something was screwed in there. But I got 2 of those, and excited about making something new out of that. This is just cute. Let's see. One more box. One more bag. Oh. So these little things, they said were little jewelry. Oh, no, easels. These are the little jewelry things. So there's 2 sizes. This size and the small ones. So you just pop them open, and so it's got 2 sheets of plastic there, and put a ring or something in there. I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet. I've got some ideas. Oh, another grocery store find for 99 cents, a little planter. Oh, I threw some stuff in from home. Things that I'm gonna redo. There's just a nice little magnetic board, white board. Here's the other one. Aren't they fabulous? My husband will be happy to find his saw blades. I got a new paintbrush. I used to buy nothing but really good brushes, and then I stick them in the refrigerator. And if I don't get back to my project, which is my life the last few years, I've lost a lot of paintbrushes. Here's a great little bottle I thought. I got a canister set, these like wooden barrels. There's 4 sizes. I only brought 2 with me. The other 2 are still in my living room in a box because, that's where they go. Oh, there's 4 of these. Or 3 of these. Nope, 4. What shall we do with them? And then were lids, and somebody else painted them and stamped them, and I think I'm going to take them one step further, and I don't know. We'll see. Four of those for $2.99 plus this 30% senior discount. So 90 cents off. So yeah, a little over $2. Something else is in there. Oh, another jar. Anyway, so there you have it. I'm gonna have to clean all this stuff up and hide it. We don't need him to see it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.